test out the new window mat for your windows. Today we're going to test it on this window out here. That's at our house. So here we have the mop. It's all the way extended, and we have the wet pad on the bottom. And you're going to take it and you're going to wash your window. The bonus about the mop being extendable is you can reach all the way up here without even having to use a step ladder, because there's one right there. Then when you're done washing your windows, you're going to take your wet pad off and you're going to attach your window mat thing. You're going to attach that on, and you're going to wipe your windows down just as if it were a window cloth, because it basically is. Wipe it down, and there's obviously going to be streak marks. Gonna reach all the way in the super high spots.
There's still some marks on the
That's okay.
left window.
And I mean, if you miss a spot like I did, you can just take it off and then put the wet pad back on again and wash away. And that was the presentation of the window mop mat for you. Subscribe because you can. If you want Norwex, you can call my mom. And yeah, bye.